Looking for the best flip phones for 2026 but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best flip phones for 2026 based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. Motorola Razr Plus 2026 Unlocked Made. We've all been there, frantically searching for our phones in our bags to check directions or quickly respond to a text, only to realize we're out of reach or in a meeting. That's why this phone stands out. It lets you use full apps on the 4.0-inch external display, so you can stay connected without flipping open your phone. It's perfect for multitaskers and busy professionals, offering flexibility and camera power with its dual 50MP main camera system enhanced by AI features. Plus, with all-day battery life and fast 45W turbo power charging, you can stay powered through your day. Number 4. Motorola Razr Ultra 2026 Unlocked Made. I'm thoroughly impressed with this flip phone. It's a game changer for anyone who wants a super powerful device without the bulk of a standard smartphone. The standout feature has to be its ultra-versatile pro-grade camera, making it a must-have for photographers and social media enthusiasts who want high-quality shots on the go. It's also lightning fast, charging to full power in just 8 minutes and lasting all day on a single charge. Whether you're a busy professional or an outdoor adventurer, this flip phone has got you covered. Number 3. Motorola Razr Ultra 2026 Unlocked Made. If you're one of the millions of Americans who switch carriers frequently, or you're a frequent traveler who needs a phone that just works, this product is a total game changer, compatible with all major US carriers, including Verizon, AT&T, T-Mobile, and other prepaid carriers. That's what sets it apart. Number 2. Motorola Razr 2026 Unlocked Made. If you're an avid multitasker or a creative type who's constantly on the go, this device is perfect for you. It's unlocked and compatible with all major US carriers, so you can use it with your existing plan. The standout feature is the external 3.6-inch display that lets you stay in the loop and respond to messages without opening your phone. It's also great for capturing photos and videos in new ways, thanks to its Flex View and pro-grade cameras. With over 36 hours of battery life and fast charging, you can go non-stop, and when you're ready to fully immerse yourself, the 6.9-inch display is perfect for entertainment, gaming, and multitasking. Number 1. Motorola Razr 2026 Unlocked Made. For anyone tired of constantly opening their phone to check notifications, this device is a game changer. It's compatible with all major US carriers, giving you complete freedom of choice. The 3.6-inch external display is your window into a world of constant updates, allowing you to reply to messages and check updates without ever needing to unfold it. It's perfect for anyone who wants to stay connected without the hassle of constant phone checking. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these pics are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.